What's the meaning of Bogside? Bogside. Bogside.
Bogside. Bogside. Bogside is a term that refers to a neighborhood in the city of Derry, Northern Ireland. Specifically, it refers to an area of housing estates located on the western side of the River Foyle. The name is derived from the fact that the area was originally a boggy marshland. In the context of the Northern Ireland conflict, Bogside became known as the site of many contentious events, including the Battle of the Bogside and Bloody Sunday. The area has since become an important symbol of resistance and political activism, particularly among the Irish nationalist community.